Is your furnace acting up or on the verge of total collapse? Loganville Furnace Repair may be just what you need. Our operators and service technicians are standing by, ready to serve you 24/7, so you're not left out in the cold. Whether it's a routine service call or the installation of a brand new high-efficiency furnace or air conditioning unit, our team of highly trained Loganville furnace repair professionals are ready to help you. Call Bradford Mechanical at 404-935-6446, serving Loganville and surrounding areas for furnace repair for more than 7 full years.